Lane. Saya here. And I went and checked the mail today, and I got my little thing from the live show that you sent me. So I was going to do like kind of like an unveiling, since it's not really an unboxing, which is cool. And I'd already pre-opened it. But I'm gonna open it and show everybody what I got. Let's see. Got it's a business card, I think. Very cool. I don't even know what that says. What that means on your signature thing. I don't even know what that means or what it says. I got another one. This was probably, I guess, your first one, since you scratched it little thing out. It's very cool. And you sent me a Blippi. I got a Blippi. I thought that was pretty neat. I got a Blippi. Still don't know what that says. To something. And then my last one is one of these. Aha! I wanted one of these for a while, and I think you were giving them away once, and I didn't win one. And now I got one. Yay! Thank you, Lane. That was very shank of you to send me something, because I was the first person there. And I was trying to be first so I wouldn't miss anything, because I've been very off schedule with your live shows, since I haven't seen them or been to them in a long time. So that was very, very cool of you, Lane. And I will see you at the live show tonight. So, thank you again. Bye, Lane.